gentle pull, it draws us near, shaping worlds from threads unclear. We move ahead without a fear. A path is formed and it's sincere. Unseen forces build the line, tracing marks beyond the spine. Every trace a fleeting sign, a tethered flow, a grand design. Awakens with a sound, winding trails where steps are bound. Momentum carries us around, a vision rises unconfound. Every turn reveals a thread, drawing paths where all are led. Beneath the currents deeply fed, a future carved, a path widespread. Rise above the sweeping tide, feel the surge where hope resides. In this moment, hearts alive, boundless flow within the sign. Weaving forms that intertwine, shaping futures undefined. Moving forward, there's no divide. Together strong we'll collide. Deep below where silence sleeps, a hidden power softly creeps, binding all in endless sweeps. It holds us firm, its promise keeps. Waves of motion guide the stream, merging life into a beam, shaping lands from what might seem a vibrant force, a living thing.